Hi there. Welcome to Kashi's Project Lab. Today we're diving into the world of VLSI, which stands for Very Large Scale Integration. Ever wondered how millions of transistors fit into a tiny chip inside your phone or computer? That's the magic of VLSI. What is VLSI? VLSI is a technology used to create integrated circuits by combining thousands or even millions of transistors into a single chip. This tiny chip is what powers your smartphones, laptops, and even some smart appliances. A brief history. The journey to VLSI began in the 1960s with small-scale integration, where only a few transistors were on a chip. By the 1970s, engineers packed thousands of transistors onto a single chip, marking the beginning of VLSI. This revolutionized technology, leading to faster, smaller, and more efficient electronic devices. How VLSI works. But how does VLSI work? Imagine you have a lot of simple switches. Each switch controls a light. Now imagine thousands of these switches working together to solve complex problems. That's what happens inside a VLSI chip. Engineers design these chips using tiny components called transistors, which act like those switches to perform different functions. The importance of VLSI. VLSI technology is everywhere. It's in your phone, your computer, and even in medical devices. Without VLSI, our devices would be much bigger, slower, and less efficient. Future of VLSI. The future of VLSI is exciting. As technology advances, VLSI will continue to shrink in size while growing in power, enabling even more incredible innovations in AI, quantum computing, and beyond. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of VLSI. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the tech that powers our world, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.